We don't call her the tawny poker for nothing.
Nice job. Sometimes she uses her nose, sometimes she uses her feet. Good one. Couple more.
She wants to
Her
fold.
teeth, her feet, her nose.
Something's still stuck there. She can still smell it. She's not through with that square yet.
Nice.
She's licking.
Let me see. Did she get them all?
I think so.
Let me see. Oh,
Yeah.